Optimism never believed that a road will end without any options. So, good morning. Today's topic for our discussion is optimism wins. So, before analyzing this topic, let's have a clear understanding of what optimism is and what pessimism is. So, optimism it means that the person who is optimist, he has a understanding, he has a mindset that is always positive. Means uh, if he is in any situation or anything he is going to do, he is always hopeful in that situation. What that means is that he is always positive attitude. He always has a positive attitude, and he never thinks negative about anything. Maybe the situation may happen that he may fail in that thing, but he always starts with a positive attitude towards anything. Now, on the other hand, pessimism is a person who has always a negative attitude about anything. Anything which he starts, he always think negative about it. So, there's one very beautiful uh, thing to identify a pessimist and an optimistic person. We can ask that the glass is half empty or it is half full. So the person who is pessimist in nature, pessimist, so what he will say that the glass is half filled, while the person who is optimistic in his approach, he say that the glass is half full. So we can differentiate easily between optimistic person and pessimistic person. Now next thing is that let's have some situation. you know in different situations of their life, you can easily identify between optimistic person and a pessimistic person. Let's take one example of traffic jam. Let's say you are stuck in a traffic jam, and or some person is stuck in a traffic jam. Now, if the person has an attitude of optimistic in nature, what he will do is that he will analyze the time which he spends in the traffic jam to maybe reading a book, or he can do some finish his task which may he have done in the office, or he can do whatever anything which is productive, and he won't complain about the jam. While on the other hand, the pessimistic person, what he will do is that he will curse the people, he will curse the surrounding. He'll say that, oh, when I go from highway in the morning, there's the traffic jam, and now in the night while I come, it's again the traffic jam. So he will always curse the situation. He will always have a negative approach of anything which comes in front of him. So he will curse him. Although his cursing won't reduce the jam, but he still curses. He won't utilize his time to make something productive out of it. So that's the difference. We take one more example. Nowadays, in coronavirus, many people have lost their job. So now, optimistic person will what he will do is that he will say, okay, now by God's grace, I lost my job. So let me search for a new job, which can be better for it or which may be fit for it. Me. So the approach of optimistic person will be like that. But a pessimistic person, what he will do is that he will again curse. He will curse the situation, and he may be in depression. He can be in depression, and he may. Some people have done suicide also. So he always has a negative approach of anything. Now we see that being optimistic is very important in your life. It also impact your health in one way or the other. So be optimistic. Now we can have some of the steps to be optimistic in your life. First step is always be spiritual. You would have seen or analyzed most people who are spiritual, they are automatically optimistic in their life. They say that, okay, if my work didn't go well, then it's by God grace, or if did well, if it go well, then it's also by God grace. So they always give credit to God or Lord. So we see that the person who is spiritual in nature, he is always automatically optimistic in nature. So be spiritual. Second important thing is always don't try to predict the future. The pessimistic person always has the negative thing that he always try to know the future, or he always says that, okay, if I do this, then what will happen in the future if I fail, or if he make permutation and combinations of the different situation that may or may not arise in the future. So don't judge the future. What would your future? Third point is get a role model. You can identify someone as your role model by watching whom you can develop your optimistic nature gradually. He may be your colleague or he may be your family member, he can be your friend or anyone. So get a role model. Fourth point is always feed yourself with positivity. So bringing positivity in your life is very important. Sometimes negative thoughts may creep in. So analyze those thoughts, that are these thoughts actually true, or are they coming out, they're just the creation of the mind. So analyze these thoughts, and if they are just the creation of the mind, let it go and fill yourself with positivity. The last important point is, if you don't know how to be optimistic in your life, just fake it. Yes, that's true. If you don't know how to be optimistic, just start doing being optimistic for some little bit of the time. And while gradually you can be optimistic and you will become optimistic in your approach. So I hope these points will help you. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.